I'm your customer here, so just shut the hell up and drive.
Excuse me?
Try to go by ratings, right?
Can I try to hurry, please?
Can you put up the window?
The way this is all rammed up on the side, you talking about the stroller?
Excuse me?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Will and this is an episode of The Best Humans of New York, a series of me providing disappointing service to the city's most entitled. It started out with me picking up an elderly fat man. I say fat because quite frankly, he ruined my car's MPG. It's also worth mentioning that he took a drag of his cigarette right before getting in the car. And I think I speak for all Uber drivers when I say that we all love the smell of cigarettes in our enclosed vehicles.
William,
Yep. How are you doing?
everybody's following Waze this morning. This doesn't make any sense at all. We're never going to get there this way.
You have a preference as to how to get there?
Well, first of all, I would have gone down the West Side Highway and then across 79th Street, but that's beside the point. As long as you were going down the east side, there was nothing wrong with Park Avenue, and we've now spent 5 minutes on 132nd Street in traffic. And Fifth Avenue looks like shit.
Well, sorry to hear that. You could have said something in the beginning.
Waze is not a substitute for knowing where you're going and how to get there.
Sorry you feel that way.
I'm not the only one.
I'm sure you're not.
Now, don't talk anymore, please.
Don't tell me what to do. Don't talk to me like that.
I'm your customer here, so just shut the hell up and drive.
Excuse me?
Get me to my destination as quickly as you possibly can. That's your only
That's
job
what I'm
right
doing,
now.
but you're in my car. Don't talk to me like that. Understood?
Yeah, I understand what
Am
you're
I
saying.
clear?
Do you understand what I'm saying?
I
You have one
understand.
job right now, and that's to get me to my destination as quickly as you possibly can. And if you don't have that attitude, then you shouldn't be driving a service for hire vehicle. Okay?
Okay. Take your complaint to Uber.
I certainly will.
Okay.
In Japanese culture, when a samurai disappoints his master, he must sacrifice himself for the greater good and restore honor to his name. I'm not brave enough to sacrifice myself, but I did sacrifice my fare for the greater good of him getting a better driver.
I'm going to be pulling over to the side and asking you to leave, by the way.
I don't think you have the right to do that.
I have the right to refuse service.
And you seem like
Here's what's going to
a
happen.
sensitive snowflake.
I am a sensitive snowflake. You hurt my feelings. So you
I
gotta
apologize
exit the
for hurting
vehicle.
your feelings. It doesn't relieve.
You can have a nice day. Find yourself a better driver. There's plenty out there. I'm doing you a favor.
No, you're not. You're f***ing yourself.
Okay. Have a nice day.
You too.
Excuse me?
That's it for today, guys. I hope to see one of you as one of my passengers someday. I hope I'd have proven to you that I'm willing to self-sacrifice in my customer's best interest. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. By the way, I'm going to put up the link to my Instagram so you can follow me on there. I have a lot of content I'm going to start putting up there that doesn't quite make the cut for YouTube, but it's going to be good for Instagram.